Preparing the awl for stitching is easy. To thread the needle, simply remove the bolt as you see me doing here, which will give you the opportunity to remove the spool of thread. Thread one end of the thread down through the chuck as you see me doing here, and then reinsert the spool of thread by putting the bolt back in. Pliers because the end of the needle is quite sharp. Now we'll take the thread and put it through the eye of the needle. Please note that everything flows down the groove in the needle. This is important to make the stitching easier. Stitching is quite easy. Just push it through the material as you see, and then pull out a length of thread depending on the distance you want to sew. If you're going to sew, say 12 inches, then pull out about 14 inches of thread. Now take the needle and push it through the next hole. Back it up slightly and you'll see it forms a loop. Take the other end of the thread through the loop and pull the needle back, forming a lock stitch. Go to the next hole and do the same thing. Put the end of the thread through the loop, this the whole length of the distance to be stitched.